In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Blox Fruits with a controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the experience of playing Blox Fruits using a controller and how to do this. So, Blox Fruits actually has native support for controllers. So, if you are playing the game on a console, of course, you will be able to join and start playing right away. But if you are on PC or mobile, you can simply connect a controller and it is going to change into gamepad mode automatically. So let's say, for example, I usually play using a keyboard and mouse. If I have a controller connected to my PC and I join the experience, you will notice that a message is going to appear saying gamepad mode started or something similar. This basically indicates that the controller was detected and now I'll be able to play using it. So first, if you press the select button, you will see this highlighter and you are able to choose options around the menu. So press select once, and once you see it, use the D-pad to move around. So I can choose Marines or Pirates by using it. Once I choose a specific side, I'll load in and you can see at the top, console mode activated, in parentheses gamepad. I can use A to jump, and I can use my other buttons for different actions depending if I enter combat. So if I press the right bumper, I'll bring up the combat options that I have, and I'll be able to press X and Y to use my abilities. I can use the right stick if I press down on it to change perspectives. By pressing down on the left stick, nothing seems to happen. You will notice that I'm dashing from time to time. This is done by simply pressing on the left stick twice. So when you are running, you can press twice and you will do the dash. This will work in any direction. However, it is extremely sensitive and sometimes you will just be running around and then out of nowhere you will dash. Sadly, there doesn't seem to be a way to control this, so it is an annoyance that you have to deal with while playing with controllers. Keep that in mind. Sometimes you will just dash out of nowhere, but you can move using the left stick. You move the camera with the right stick, and all of the other buttons will most likely be attributed to using combat abilities. If you wish to browse through the menus, you have to press select, as I've mentioned earlier, and this will give you access to the highlighter. So once you have the highlighter on screen, you will be able to use the D-pad to move it around. So as you can see, it is now highlighting my hotbar at the bottom. I can go over to menu, and you can press A to select things, go into stats, go into items, shop, and so on. It is a little bit glitchy, and it isn't going to be the most refined experience. However, it is entirely possible, and all that you have to do is connect the controller to start playing. So I highly recommend trying this out if you just want to chill and play with a controller, or you want to see what it feels like. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Blox Fruits with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.